welcome back to our channel. Today's class I am going to discuss about how to design a basic gate by using only NOR gate. So first you know what are the gates comes under basic gate. Three gates comes under basic gate. First one NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. So now we discussed how the NOT gate is implemented by using only NOR gate and OR gate, then AND gate. We will discuss one by one. So first I draw the basic symbol of NOT gate. So it's a symbolic representation of NOT gate. Here input is A, output of the NOT gate is A bar, just a complement of input values. So this NOT gate implemented by using only NOR gate. So it's the input A. This is given to here. Then next second terminal input also A. So NOR gate expression is A plus A the whole bar. So A plus A means A. So A bar. So it's a final representation of NOR gate inverter. Then come to OR gate. So it's a symbolic representation of OR gate. A and B is the input value. Output Y equal to A plus B. So now we implement the OR gate by using NOR gate. So A plus B, the double bar. So it's a NOR gate. Input is A and B. So output of the first NOR gate is A plus B the whole bar. Then this output is given to second NOR gate input. Output Y equal to A plus B double bar. So just cancel these two bars. Now Y equal to A plus B. This is the OR gate implementation by using NOR gate. Then come to AND operation. So let me draw the symbolic representation of AND gate. It has a two input A and B. Then output Y equal to A dot B. So NOR gate implementation. So A dot B the whole double bar. Now I apply the De Morgan's theorem. So break the bar, change the sign. So A bar plus B bar the whole bar. So now we implement the AND gate by using NOR gate. So first you make A bar. So here I am using one NOR inverter. The input of the NOR inverter is A and output of the NOR inverter is A bar. We already discussed here how you obtain the value A bar. Then come to B bar. So one more NOR gate is used in here. So these two inputs shorted and get one terminal. So here apply B values. So output of the second NOR gate is B bar. Then these two outputs are given to third NOR gate out inputs. So A bar and B bar. So these two variables is assigned input of third NOR gate. So here output is A bar plus B bar the whole bar. So how this A bar plus B bar the whole bar is equal to A dot B means Y equal to A bar plus B bar the whole bar is equal to A dot B. How? So here applying the De Morgan's theorem. So break the bar, change the sign. So A double bar dot B double bar. So this bar cancel, this bar cancel. So finally you get A dot B. So this is the simple way to implement the basic gate by using NOR gate. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.